How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to withdraw USDT or any type of cryptocurrency from your Binance account, as well as transferring it directly to your bank account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So what we'll essentially be doing here is cashing in our cryptocurrency and turning it to real cash to transfer to our bank account, right? So to show you guys the steps, it's actually quite simple. There are a couple of authentication processes involved, but I'll show you guys just what to do. So as you can see here from my screen, there's a step-by-step guide provided by Binance themselves on how to do this. So step one is obviously you want to log into your Binance account like so. So basically just go to your website, and once you guys have logged in and find yourselves on the dashboard, you want to click on wallet and then overview. So it looks a little something like this. So in the home page, click on wallet. Once you've logged in, select overview, and then you're ready for the next step, which is to withdraw. So next thing that you guys want to do is you want to click withdraw once you guys are here on the overview page. So click withdraw right here. And then Binance will then ask you what type of currency you're trying to withdraw. So in this case, we're going to withdraw USDT. So we'll basically be selecting the currency here. So click on the drop down and selecting USDT, and then it will have a couple of different options on how we get to transfer it. So it can either be link payment or bank transfer. Obviously, we want to select bank transfer here. So if it's your guys' first time to transfer or cash in USDT from your Binance account, it would normally ask you for your bank details, right? So it would ask for your the bank account name tied to the account rather, and the account number, type and whatnot. So basically, you just fill out the details and follow the on-screen instructions like so. And when you do, what you guys want to do is input the amount that you want to transfer from your Binance account into your bank account. So it looks a little something like this. So 100 Bitcoins or whatever equates to 100,000 South African dollars. Now, this one is just an example, but to show you guys what I mean, this is what it would look like. So it would convert your cryptocurrency into real money and transfer it directly into your bank account. So once you've entered it, simply click on continue, and then it should show you a new window with the review details about the withdrawal. So this one's an example. Just click on confirm, and you guys should be ready to go. Once you guys have made a transfer, it should reflect in your bank account within a couple of days, or at the soonest, within the day. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. It's quite simple and straightforward. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.